I just got to spin that 360.
Alright, the Outdrive is set up on 2 sawhorses by 2 2x4s. We'll see if we can get the anode loose.
In the thing? Oh, you figured out how to slide? Yeah.
That should be enough.
You just fill.
Zoom in is broken. Well, I'm gonna throw it.
That's exactly.
That's and it's not exactly the same. Different color. That's a gray one.
Oh, that sounds so good.
His is blue.
I
think. So. Yeah, his is blue. Oh, shit, he's recording.
Nice cameo.
Oh, the case you're keeping.
Damn it. It's done nothing. Now it's getting there because I'm taking it out.
Now it's the PV blaster. That's what makes it work.
No. No, that's not right. PV blaster doesn't do anything. Unless it has a way to get in there already.
It's the stuff. The only thing better than PV blaster is arrow coil, but I can't find it anywhere.
PV blaster is like snake oil.
No, WD-40 is like snake oil.
I mean, I just don't understand how anyone expects lubricant to get into the thread when the head is sealing the bolt off.
It's magic.
It's not.
And that's why this one is broken off, because the people who tried to take it out before didn't use blaster.
Or impact it at all.
Yes, but it's important to show people the failures. Yeah, that did nothing. Yeah, the dollar store hex wrench. That is the bomb.
Coming in handy.
That saved us twice today. And that was $1 for a whole set.
Oh yeah, that's why it's not spinning.
Yeah, that's not good. That's just surface rust on those bearings. I think if we just put some PV blaster on it, it'll be fine.
That's not gonna reach all the way to the boat. That's like 200 feet.
It's just destroying that.
All right. Well, don't break that off, because we'll need something to weld to. So this is believed to be an early, you just walked right in front of the camera. This is believed to be an early Alpha 1 Outdrive. It's the upper and lower are held together with 6 bolts. There's 3 from the top and 3 from the bottom. One of the ones from the bottom was already missing, the one that was under the zinc.
Somehow saved that from being destroyed.
There's 1 bolt here in the front. There's 1 on each side under that fin.
No.
There are two up underneath these holes. And then there's supposed to be one more in the back under the zinc, but we pulled the zinc off and that bolt appears to be missing. We haven't been able to remove the propeller. All of the hardware is off the propeller shaft, but the propeller is stuck on the shaft. So we're going to try separating the Outdrive into two halves so we can work on the propeller on the bench. Oh, other loosen.
Yeah, it's lefty tighty, righty loosen down there.
Don't be telling people these are left-handed threads, they'll screw up their Outdrives. This is a normal bolt.
They're not left-handed threads, they're upside down threads.
These are those Australian bolts, down under.
I guess it's a good thing we're not working on a sailboat because I am not good at untying rope.
Yeah, we're gonna have rope classes here. I'll bring my sample ropes. You guys gotta learn to tie knots.
I've learned to tie plenty of knots, I just don't remember them now.
Yeah, it's kept nuts. Okay. Alright, here's the lower part of the Outdrive. As you can see, the drive shaft spins. So whatever is seized is in the upper section. Yeah, hold that, Andy. Okay, now see if you can spin that with the crowbar. We've been bathing the bearing assembly parts in PB Blaster. Take that, WD-40. Oh, I hear thunder. I think we're reaching the end of Boat Club for today. We'll continue the Outdrive teardown in the next episode.